Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel artepics and I am Payal. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a Durga Ma face drawing. It is a very easy to make. Here I'm not going to show you the pencil drawing of the face because it took me a little bit of time to finalize the rough sketch. So I directly show you the primary bordering through black pen. For coloring, I use three primary colors red, yellow, and orange. Some places I use poster color, and other places I use fine liner pens to create the patterns. Whatever you have, you can use that for your paint. I followed here the Madhubani Kachni style pattern because it is very easy to create and very much attractive to look. Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post all the final outcomes of my drawing. Please have a look and follow me there. I put that link in my description box and also mention on my screen. For enhancing the image look, I create here a broad border with motif style. This is the final version of my drawing. I try to make this drawing as simple as possible. If you like this drawing, then please give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and let me know in my comment section what you think about my drawing. Oh, one more thing. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. It's absolutely free. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.